Hello everyone, welcome back to English Odyssey with me. Right now, I again came back in front of you. Today, I would like to share with you how important listening. Listening is very important because if you want to learn any kind of language, you have to listen that language. Okay, so right now I am English learner. I want to be a fluent speaker in English. That's why I always try to listen in English. Every day I try to hear some BBC news and also some British cartoon. I watch because I like the British accent because um, whenever I saw the British accent, I feel love to their British accent. So you have to practice by gaining accent. Without listening, you cannot be able to fluent speaker. Every teacher share their opinion that no one in the countries that without listening they became fluent speaker. Okay, if you want to learn Japanese language, you have to listen the Japanese language. Okay, every kind of language, if you want to learn, you have to listen that language. Okay, so I have intention after learning English I will learn the Italian language because after English I love the learning Italian language because if you know lots of language, it will help you in your future. So I am trying to best to gaining some skill in another language. Okay, so day by day I am improving in my English skill. Okay, and every day I try to listen BBC news, also very important, and also I am trying to reading articles which is very important to understand the uh, English sentence. Okay, you also try it to improve your English skill. Our one teacher suggests us that who understand the reading of English, they became very good, they will be very good in English. So I try it. Okay, you try your best to be a fluent speaker any kind of language. Okay, I have intention I will be a fluent speaker minimum 3 languages in the world. Okay, Germanese, Italian and English. Okay, so day by day I am learning uh, how to improve my skill which will help me in my future. Okay, future, thinking about future is important, and if you don't have any goal, you cannot be able to work properly. If you work for your goal, you will be able to work very smoothly, with confidently. Okay, so be confident in your journey, and I am also trying my best to be uh, good in skill. Okay, there are lots of skill in the world you learn. Okay, so if you want to be a fluent speaker in any kind of language, be be patient and listen more and talking about this type of language. Okay, so today my every roommate went to the protest, but I also went. Few minutes ago I came because lots of people gathering here and they are protesting for Gaza. Okay, I will come again in front of you with another new videos. Till then, goodbye.